Dear students, greetings from Dr. T. Sendilmurugan, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Information Technology, Kakatiya Institute of Technology and Science, Varangal. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about Postfix expression evaluation. In the previous video lecture, we have discussed about how to convert infix expression into postfix expression. So in this video lecture, after converting the postfix expression, how we can evaluate the expression, those topic we are going to discuss in this video lecture. So this is video lecture week 6, lecture 1, classroom discussion topic 16. This is applications of stack. Under that application of stack topic, we are going to discuss about expression evaluation. So before going to discuss about topic, we must know the outcome of the lecture. After completion of this lecture, students will be able to develop a program to evaluate any postfix expression using stack concept. So in this video lecture, we are going to discuss about postfix expression evaluation. So if you, after discussion, the students have the capable to evaluate any postfix expression. So already we discussed about applications of stack in the previous lectures. Even the one of the application of stack is evaluation of postfix expression. Okay, so in this video lecture, we are going to discuss about this topic. So before going to discuss about expression evaluation, we must know what is postfix expression. So normally in arithmetic expression, we have operands and operator. The operator in between two operands means we can say that it is the infix operation. Okay, if when the operator is after the operands, that is considered as the postfix expression. Okay, so normally a plus b we can write like that. This is arithmetic addition operation. So how we can convert this means a, b, two operands. After that, that operator will come. This is postfix expression. Why we are converting the postfix expression means normally the compiler will execute the expression from the operators. So if initially we are given a means system will not understood what it wants to do. So for that reason, we have to add operator. First it will read the operator means the system will understand that it will perform some operation based on the operator. For that reason, we are converting infix or prefix operation into postfix expressions. So already we know how to convert infix to postfix expression. We have discussed those topic in previous lecture also. Just I will revise it. First, we have to start the scanning expression from the left to right. Any expression is there, we have to start from left to right. If in case we have taken this a, b plus, if the scanned character is operand, output it. Simply we can type it a. So else, if the precedence of the scanned operator is higher than the precedence of the operator in the stack, so we have to check if any operator have in the stack. Okay, so if it is higher than that means we can simply push that operator into the stack. For example, if multiplication is there, so the next symbol is plus means we can simply add that. If not means we can pop the operator, then we have to insert the new operator into the stack. Whenever we have read that open braces, we have to push it. Whenever we read that close bracket, we have to pop the element till open bracket, then it can perform the operations. We can repeat these steps 2 to 6 till the stack is empty. This is just a conversion technique from infix expression to postfix expression. Now we are going to discuss about evaluation of a postfix expression. So what is postfix expression? First operands will be there, then operator will be there. Okay. So when we are thinking about the expression evaluation, simply we can know that how to convert from infix to postfix. From the previous slide, we discussed how to convert the postfix expression. Okay. So for converting infix to postfix or evaluating the postfix expression, the stack is the primary tool. Okay. So we are using stack. That's why we are discussed this topic under applications of stack. Okay. So now we are going to start the expression evaluation. We have to read or scan from left to right in the postfix expression. Any expression we will take, we will start from the left to right. Okay. When we are scanning left to right, the first character, if you are taken encounter, it is the operand, means what we have to do. If it is operand means just it is pushed onto the stack. Okay. So first scanning character should be there. Scanning character, we have to check this character is operand or operator. If operand means we have to push it into stack. We have to create one stack. Simply we can keep it that operand here. Okay. If when we are reading it is operands, we have to put it here in the stack. Else, if an operator is encountered, it is not a character or operand. If operator is encountered, what we have to do? We have to take top two values. Okay, so two operands we will take and perform the operation with which operator we are encountered. Okay, we popped from the stack and we have to apply the operations. After performing the operation, we have to keep it in the stack again. The result should be in the stack. Okay, got it what I'm saying. If example a b plus is there means first a may be 5, b may be 6, then plus operator is there. When it is reading the character or first operands, then it will put it in the stack. Okay. So then next also operand, we will put it into the stack. When we are seeing that plus operator, we have to pop out 6, then we have to pop out 5, and we have to perform the operation 5 plus 6, 12. So we have to pop up this value and store into stack is 12. So now we can perform this step-by-step expression. So algorithm to evaluate the postfix expression, what we have to do? To add close bracket at the end of the postfix expression. Okay. So scan every character after postfix expression and repeat the steps is encountered. Okay. What we have to do? Scan every character of the postfix expression and repeat the steps 3 and 4 until we are getting the close bracket, because we are added that is a last value. So after that, we have to check if it is an operand is encountered. Previously we seen, no, if operand is encountered, push it onto the stack. Simply we can add it into the stack. In case if it is operator, what we have to do? Pop the two elements from the stack and perform the operation with B operator A, where A is the topmost element and B is the element below. Okay, if it is there, we can perform this operation. Then after performing the operation, we have to push it into the stack. Okay, like that we can repeat the steps till the close brackets comes. So finally, set results equal to topmost element of the stack. So final answer, only one answer may be there, that should be finding it topmost element. Okay. So see this example. It is actually infix expression. We know that the operand, in between the operand, if we are using operators, that is infix expression. So after converting this expression into postfix expression, it will be look like this. Okay, 9, 3, 4, multiplication symbol, 8 plus 4, division symbol, and minus symbol. So now we have to evaluate this expression. So first what we have to do? We have to start from left to right. Okay. So first we will read the character 9. So it is an operand. Simply we will keep it in the stack. So next is the 3. So 3 is the scanned character. That also we will keep it in the stack. Okay. So next to 4. 4 also operand. So when we are reading the operand, we will just keep it into the stack. Next, it is a multiplication symbol. Okay, so next is multiplication symbol. If multiplication symbols comes means what we have to do? We have to remove top three, top two elements, and we have to perform this operation multiplication. 3 into 4, 12. That the result will be stored into the stack. Okay, so now 9 and 12 is there in the stack. We have to perform next operation. Next is 8 is there. That is operand. Simply we can add it into the stack. The next plus symbol is there. So once we are encounter the operators, we have to perform the operation with the topmost two elements. Okay, topmost element and below that element. So what is the elements are there? So after adding 8, so the top element is 12 and 8. The plus operation is there. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 will be stored into the stack. So now 9 and 20 is there. After that, we are checking that 4, that is the operand, simply we are adding into the stack. After adding it, we are encountered with the operator. What is the operator? Division operation. Where we can perform the division operation? Last 2, the topmost element and below that element. 4 and 20 is there. So we will take 20, that's a B value, and divided by A value. Okay. This is topmost element A. So next value is B. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. So 5 will be stored into the stack. Okay. So when we are taking this value, second value divided by first value. Okay. Like that we can perform the operation. So now in stack we have only 9 comma 5. Two operands are there. When we are seeing that last finally one operator is there minus. So 9 5 minus 5. So what is the answer? 4. So that's why it is printing as answer is 4. So now we are going to discuss about the program. So what are the functions of stack? So we know that push operation, pop operation. So using these two operations, then we have to evaluate the postfix expression. Okay. So here we are used push operation just to insert into the stack array. We need whatever value it is taken, that will be insert into the array. So we are passing one array and that value we have to pass. Pop means simply from the array it will take pop two elements, then it will be perform the operation. Okay, so how it will evaluate the postfix expression? We have that if it is operand, put it into the push into the stack. If it is operator, pop two element and perform the operation, again push it into the stack. That operation we have to perform in this function. Okay, so initially we have to declare one array expression with 100. We will take as a input from the user as a expression. After that, it should be the postfix expression. Okay, not infix expression. So previous lecture we have discussed, in case if you are received infix expression, first you have to convert into the postfix expression, then you have to evaluate. Okay. So after getting the expression, you have to call the function with expression. Okay. So this evaluate postfix expression is there, no? It will, after executing, it will return value. That value will be printed. That is the final output. Okay. So now we are calling this function with whatever expression we received. Okay. So after calling this function, it will goes to the particular function. How it will be the particular function? We know that operator one, operand one, operand two, then value is there. Okay. So here we have to check that expression till null point. Okay, we have to check one by one. So if it is the digit, if it is the digit means what we have to do? We have to push it into the stack. So directly that stack is there, no, st, and then we have to convert that element expression minus 0. One value will be minus. That will be pushed into the stack. Else, if it is not a digit, what we have to do? We will take pop the element. That value will be second operator, and again one more pop the element from the stack, that is the second operator. So now we can perform. What is the expression? What if it is not digit means it may be any one of the operator. The operator we are given the cases. If in case it is encountered as a plus symbol means it will perform operation 1 plus operation 2. Okay. So in the previous example, I told second operator with first operator, but how we are popping it here? You just see. Initially, first operand we are taken as OP2 and second operator will be OP1. So that's why we are written expression like this. Okay. If you are first you are written OP1, then the operation is OP2 plus OP1. Like that we can write. Okay. Second variable plus first variable. Like that we can perform this. So these are the mathematical arithmetic operations. You can use it in the program. After using that, the result will be pushed into the stack with the values. Okay. Then I value will be incremented. So now push operation. Already we know that we have to check top is full or not. If stack is full, then stack overflow we can write. Okay. So if it is not that, we can increase the top value and we can simply assign that value into the top position. That is, after execute the operations, the answer will be stored in the stack. That is push operation. Next one is pop operation. For pop, what we have to check? The stack is empty or not, we have to check. If it is empty means it is -1. If it is empty means simply we can print stack underflow. If not means we can pop the element. How we can pop the element? The value will be stored in the top value, then top minus minus. Okay, so this push and pop operation already we discussed. After executing this expression, we got the answer is 4. Okay, this is post postfix expression evaluation. So now we are in summary. So what are the things we are discussed? First, applications of stacks already we discussed. That is one of the application is converting infix to postfix and postfix evaluation. So after conversion, rules for expression conversion. So that we discussed how to convert infix expression to postfix expression. Okay, so that rule we are checked. After that, we have to discuss about evaluate the expression. So after converting the postfix expression, what are the steps we have to follow? That algorithm we are discussed. After discussion, we are explained with the program how to evaluate the postfix expression. So these are the topic we are discussed. Okay. So now we are end of this lesson. So now you have to evaluate the following postfix expression. I given the expression. You have to evaluate the expression. So finally you have to show the answer. At end of this lecture, we have to revisit the lecture outcome. Having completed the discussion on applications of stack expression evaluation, now students should be able to develop a program, maybe C program, to evaluate any postfix expression using stack concept. Even the student may have idea how to evaluate the expression. They may write the program in other language also. So thank you, students. If you have any doubt, you can refer Rima Taraja textbook in chapter 7.7.3, Evaluation of Arithmetic Expression. Further doubt, you can visit the weekly tutorial sheet. Even if you have doubt, you commit the doubt, we will discuss in our classroom discussion. Thank you very much for this listening entire video with a full-fledged manner. Thank you all.